Welcome to my channel. Today we are going to explore a critical question. Can International Monetary Fund IMF policies affect Pak-China Economic Corridor projects in Pakistan? We will dive into the legal analysis, related laws to understand the potential implication. Let's get started. Legal analysis IMF influence on CPEC. IMF loan conditions. The IMF opposes conditions on which loans such as financial scrutiny measures which can impact the Pakistan ability to fund CPEC projects. Debit circling increased obligation to IMF can be stern Pakistan for financial resources, potentially affecting the Pakistan-China Economic Corridor investments. Legal framework of Pakistan-China investments. These agreements between Pakistan and China outline the terms and cooperation of investment in infrastructure projects, environmental and regulatory compliance. Projects must comply with the Pakistan environmental and regulatory laws which can be influenced by IMF policies. Related law IMF articles of agreement. These articles grow the relationship between IMF and its member countries, including Pakistan. Standby agreement terms. The specific terms and conditions under which Pakistan has received financial support from IMF. EPEC Energy Framework Agreement. This agreement binds Pakistan to allocate sufficient funds to keep Chinese investors immune from the circular debt. Environmental protection laws. These laws ensure that the Pakistan-China projects comply with the environmental standards to minimize the impact. In conclusion, the IMF policy can potentially impact the projects in Pakistan. The extent of these influence depends upon the various factors, including the term of IMF loans and Pakistan's ability to manage its financial obligations. Understanding the legal framework and related the laws is very crucial for navigating these tenets. Thank you for watching and do not forget to like and subscribe for more insightful content.